Hey guys, might have to redo this video. I've got some people outside using garden cleaning tools, maybe a lawnmower or something like that. It's a bit loud, much louder than my fan, so I hope I don't have to. But so we're just going to go over a little bit of how to format numbers and all that. And if you remember earlier, we did just basic divider by functions, and we wind up having a remainder of 3 in this instance. Now, that's a bit of an issue for us because even though we've solved the problem, we haven't got the correct answer. And we all know that the correct answer is we can get the correct answer by doing 15.0 divided by 4 and also divided by 4.0. Just remember, when only one of them's a float, it still has to give you an answer in a float. I'm just going to make sure I'm 100% correct. Yeah. Sorry, my memory just blanked a bit. But as long as one of them is a float, it's going to give you an answer in a float. If one of them is a int and the other's an int, it's obviously going to stay as an int. If they're both floats, it'll stay as a float. Now, you can actually change this. So I'm going to create 2 variables. X equals 15 and y equals 4. Now, 2 pretty simple variables. Now, again, if we were to print x divided by y, we still get 3. So that's one issue for us. So remember, just nil's saying that there's no errors. But what we can do in this instance is we can do print dot 2 underscore f and then hit enter. There we go. That solved our issue. What we've done here is the 2 underscore f is it's taking whatever is on the left of this dot, therefore x, and it's passing it to a float number. And if we've got a whole number, it's just going to be 0. It'll wind up being 15.0. Now, we can obviously do dot 2 underscore f as well, and it'll come up with the same answer. It just really depends on which ones you're more comfortable with at the moment. As you get further on and more advanced, it'll be common practice. There'll be a common practice that you get used to, and I'll brief you on that if it ever becomes necessary. But at the moment, just see what you can do, test the limits of this program. If you have a feeling that something could be done, or something could be done without doing everything, then give it a shot. We don't want to just use this program as it is and as you're taught. You want to learn how to actually make the program. Now, just one last thing. And I probably shouldn't say how to make the program, how to interact with the program, how to design it to only have the limits of your imagination, I suppose, would be the best case. Now, what we've done here is we've actually done some casting. Casting occurs when you change one data type to another. And in this case, we've changed the int y to a float y. Well, just to a float, and it's returned as a float value. And honestly, if you want to learn more about casting, look that up yourself. Otherwise, I'll talk about it as we get through and cover more topics and where it becomes more necessary. But if you want to do some quick learning by yourself, that might be something that you should look up. I'll see you guys next time.